everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting collaboration with our friends SliceNRice.
I'm Slice.
And I'm Rice.
Together we make comedy videos based off of our interracial relationship, so make sure you check it out.
I just came in, I felt the stares, but I specifically remember like really dressing up. Like I wore like my white pants that made my butt look good.
Why would you try to make your booty look good for my family? That's what you want my family to look at.
So you know the word oppa?
Yes, oppa.
Okay, so if you say it in an egg yolk way, you say oppa. Oh, 왜 그래? 나는 사랑해.
So we thought it would be a fun challenge to have our boyfriends do thrifted transformation dresses for us. They both went thrifting at Savers and they found a dress to transform for Glory, and we found a dress to transform for me. So make sure you guys head over to their channel after this video to see what their end result is going to look like. And at the end, you guys can vote on both of our channels. Let us know down in the comments who did a better job. Hey guys, we wanted to hop back on here to explain what's going on with this challenge. So originally we were supposed to do this collaboration all together in person, and our boyfriends were just going to hot glue the transformation together. But in that intro that you guys just saw, my foot was actually broken at the time and in a lot of pain. And I didn't go see a doctor yet, so I didn't know it was broken, but now I do have a cast for it. And they told me that I broke my talus bone and also tore some ligaments on the side of my ankle. So SliceNRice and us, we just decided that it would be best to just go our own ways and film the transformations at home, which is a good thing too, because now we have access to our sewing machines. We did reveal our dresses with each other, and I love the dress that SliceNRice is transforming.
Alright, so I was trying to find something that was very, very unique that I could just bring out its truest potential. So you guys ready? This is what I'm working with. We got this bad boy right here.
That's a good one. The dress we found was really simple, and we both shopped at Savers as well. But I think at the back of my head while we were shopping, I was just thinking about how Eric is going to be the one transforming and cutting up the dress. So I didn't want to choose anything too complicated for him to cut up. But make sure you guys head over to SliceNRice's channel as well. They have a comedy channel, so their video is probably going to be 10 times more funny than ours. Don't forget to subscribe to them, like their videos, and show them so much love. And let's get started.
So we went to Savers and we found this green dress here for $5.99. As you can see, it's pretty wavy at the bottom. It's a little transparent. Up here, it's like a shirt material kind of thing going on here. It's pretty long, so I have a lot of material to work with. Yeah, this is well, I definitely want to take out this part right here. I want to seam rip this part right here off, because I feel like I could do something with this wavy part, because I think I kind of like the way it looks. I don't know. I'm not really digging the buttons right here. This, I could maybe flip this to the back. I don't know, maybe. But then that'd be kind of dumb, because it would be super hard for you to button up.
It's stretchy.
The transparency, was it the lining?
Yes.
The lining,
Stop calling it the transparency.
The lining underneath this part right here is pretty dope. So hopefully I can figure out what to do with that. I'm not really sure what I can do with this though. I wanted to seam rip this bottom part off and then make this to the top. And then maybe have some straps or something that go over it. Yeah, that'd be cool. I was thinking about making this part, since it's stretchy, if I can seam rip this part, the bottom part off, put it as a top, and then take some of this material and make a strap, and then use this material as like a tight, like a shorts. Like a short, you know?
You're gonna make some shorts for me?
Yeah, like some shorts or something. Alright, so the first step I did to get this transformation started was seam ripping the bottom half from the top. Anyone who has seam ripped before knows how long and tedious this process is. Once the seam ripping is done, I threw the bottom piece onto the dress form and positioned it to where I thought would look good. I then pinned the front and back, then took in the back to create a more fitted look. The front looked really boring, so I marked the V shape to add some style, and then marked the back so I know where to cut. Alright, for this part, April told me I needed to add an armhole, so I went back to mark it. And then I extend the line to the back. Oh, I should have sewed it inside out. Ah, man, I gotta seam rip this again?
You barely started.
Ah, damn it. You're right, now to go inside out. Originally, I was going to sew the center back closed, but April said it would be easier if I sewed the two pieces together along the top first.
Yeah, because if he sewed the center back pieces together first, he would have had to hem the V-neck and armhole curves at the end, and that would have been way too challenging for him. Your foot is so flexed down there.
Because I'm stressed.
Tell us your plan now.
Since I sewed the wrong sides together, I flipped the lining. Now the lining is outside. The original piece is on the inside. Next, I sewed the back shut and made sure it was right size together this time. Ta-da! Oh, this one is off because it's not even in the middle of this part right here.
So I'm just about to try the shirt that Eric made me on, and he missed this whole section.
It's a part for April to poop out of. I had to create some straps for the top, so I marked two 1.5 inch strips from the extra fabric, folded them in half, and sewed down the open side. Using the loop turner was a pain in the ass. I didn't understand how to use it even when April demonstrated it to me, but I eventually got it.
No, you didn't.
I then sewed the straps onto the front and then
I still did it for him. He's lying.
Then sewed the straps onto the front and then measured the straps to fit her at the back. So I was originally gonna do shorts first, but it was too hard. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can do it. I wanted the shorts to be kind of fitted on April, kind of like tights, like yoga short tights. But I think it was gonna be too difficult. It was gonna be too hard for me, so I just decided to go with the skirt. I cut straight across the top and had April wear it to fit her. Then I marked the new lines and sewed it down with a zigzag stitch. It was a little uneven at the bottom here, so I straightened it out with a rotary cutter. Here is the final transformation. So this is the final transformation. I pretty much took the bottom piece, I seam ripped it, and then I put it on the top. But then originally it was supposed to be this side in front and the lining on the inside, but since I didn't, it's called the
You sewed it wrong sides together.
yeah, I sewed wrong sides together, so the
right sides together.
yeah, I sewed wrong sides together, so this is what happened. But then I just eventually just kind of just
went with it.
I made it work out, you know. And I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. I think it looks kind of off, but it's all right. And then for the backside, I don't know what happened here. I guess I kind of just I used the rotor cutter incorrectly, and then I kind of just went with it. And it kind of left like this, this little V shape out open. And then for the straps, I just took a piece of the extra fabric, and then I rolled it up, and then I just sewed it onto the back. So I sewed it onto the back, and I sewed it onto the front. And then for the skirt. Actually, this was the top part, and I wanted to make it. I wanted to make it into a shorts for April, but it was gonna be too hard for me. So I just I just cut it and I just made it into a simple skirt. It was so hard. I didn't know what to do with it.
For his very first try, I think he did pretty good. I was really impressed. I love how for transformations, just kind of like how Eric messed up and it turned into something that probably looks even better than his original idea. That's how my transformations always are too. The mistakes you make along the way is actually what's going to make the final outcome more unique. This was his idea completely.
Yeah, it was.
Like when he was telling me his ideas, like I would probably do it differently, but you know, I let him do it and drape it on the dress form, and all that was him. I just sat on the couch over there and watched.
Yeah, she did.
Hopefully this inspires those of you out there that are scared to start your first transformation. If Eric can do it, so can you guys. Like, he made something that actually turned out pretty decent. Yeah, he needs to touch up on his sewing skills, but he made something that I would actually wear out. Now I really can't wait to see what Slice made for Rice.
I have ideas. I have no experience. We're just gonna cut it off. Cut! This is like your Sunday's best. You know what I'm saying? Alright, boom. We got it. Oh, that hung down.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know down in the comments what you guys thought about Eric's dress that he made for me.
And if you guys want to see our dress the way that Matt made it for me, go ahead and click the link down below to go and see it.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
I poked myself.
Oh, are you bleeding?
No. How you gonna laugh at that?
You were funny.
I got scared, yo. I thought I was gonna lean on that joint.